Last night my game must have failed. I apparently didn't get laid, or did I? I just can't remember some, but must have had a lot of fun. We all just tagged along when I heard a familiar song playing. Who says I can't get stoned? Next thing I recall, I was home. Last night was insane. Drank too much and smoked on Mary Jane. There's no use to deny that I'm suffering, but why? Why, oh why do I feel like I'm dying inside? Bad breath and my eyes were red. I went out on my couch instead, going for a leftover pizza slice. It wasn't fresh, but it tasted nice. About to go back to sleep when I heard this quiet beep. It was my damn phone started ringing again. On the other end were my friends, they were yelling. Last night was insane. Drank too much and smoked on Mary Jane. There's no use to deny that I'm suffering, but why? Why, oh why do I feel like I'm dying inside? Yeah. I'm still on my couch, have a hard time to see what happened today to my memory. My friends were saying I was wrecked like a train, but we had so much fun, so let's do it again. Last night was insane. Last night was insane. We drank too much and smoked some Mary Jane. There's no use to deny that I'm suffering, but why? Why, oh why do I feel like I'm dying? Last night was insane. Drank too much and smoked some Mary Jane. There's no use to deny that I'm suffering, but why? Why, oh why do I feel like I'm dying inside?